Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. As usual, it's always a pleasure to have you here. I'm coming back with another exciting video, very brief. I'm going to show you how to assemble your vlogging equipment, specifically your ring light and also your tripod stand, because some people get to have problems in that. You don't need to be a professional, in a videography or photography to be able to assemble your vlogging equipment. As you can see, this is a ring light stand and it's very much adjustable to different heights, to different height, and also at a motion of 360 degrees. It has different knobs, as you can see. Take note, it has knobs, like to open up on the legs and also to adjust the height. So you only need to loosen up on the knobs, and then you can adjust it to the height you want. So at this point, I'm just going to just get not a very tall height, but it's very, very long. Then next I'll take the ring light. This is an 18-inch ring light. They come separately, so you have to know how to assemble. The ring light has also adjustable knobs at the back, whereby you have to loosen up on the screw, and then you can be able to tighten it up on the on your ring light stand, and it's very easy. Also, the ring light has another knob whereby you can be able to move it at 360, at an angle of 360. You can move it at the back and on the front and sideways, depending depending on how you want the reflection of the light. It's as simple as that. There's nothing hard. And by the way guys, in case this is your first time to watch my videos, kindly subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Some people get to forget to turn on the notification bell, and if you subscribe and you've not turned your notification bell on, you're not going to get notifications of all my new videos. If you watched my previous video, I got so excited because I just recently got my I just leveled up and I got new vlogging equipment just to take my vlogging game to the next level. Very, very simple. This is very nice for beginners and also anyone else who is having problems in vlogging and in some sort of thing. So next is the phone holder. It comes together with the ring light and it's very easy to assemble it. At the ring light at the back, there are three parts whereby you can fix you can fix your microphone. Like right now I'm gonna fix my microphone, and then the other one you can fix in your phone holder where you put your phone. Also, if you need to fix anything else, there's also an extra holder place you can put it. It's just basically at the back of the ring light, and that's one of the reasons why I'm loving this ring light so much. So it's as simple as that. I'm gonna try in my phone, just fix it, and apparently we are done. I hope you've been following. Basically, they are just different knobs to adjust the height and also for different movements. And as you can see, the phone holder, you can move it on a portrait, just different angle because it moves around 360. So you're just gonna go in with the power charger and just connect it to the light, and then we can just fix it there. The place to fix it at the back of the ring light, and then we can just turn it on. Also at the back, wow, can you see guys? Here we have our ring light, as simple as this. Something else, we also have two knobs at the back whereby you can adjust the light intensity if you want lots of light or just a little light. And also the light intensity, it comes in 3 different colors: white, yellow, and I don't know the other color, but it has 3 different colors. That's all about ring light. It's as simple and as easy as you have seen. Basically, just learn to know how to play around with the knobs and you're just good to go. You don't need anyone to train you. You can just figure it out by yourself as soon as you have your vlogging equipment. Yay! And I'm so excited with this, guys. Next, we will do the tripod stand, which is more common on most vloggers. It's also very easy. The tripod stand has adjustable legs that are normally folded. It has like the knobs, and all you just need to do is to just just open up, because it's very, very long. This, I think it's like 55-inch ring light. Also, as you can see, you just need to loosen up the knob at the top, and you can be able to basically adjust it to different heights. As I said, can you see the legs are opening up? So basically, these gadgets are very easy to use. Whether you're an amateur or you're a professional, all you need to do, check on all the knobs and then just handle them with care as you're trying to learn how to operate them. And also you can always watch, you know, if maybe you got your gadgets online or something, you can always go to YouTube and watch you know, search tutorials like the one I'm doing, and so many other people have done different kind of tutorials on how to, you know, easily operate this gadget. Also, if you bought it from a shop or something, you can let them help you and teach you how to use them before you leave the shop. As you can see, everything is just adjustable, as I said. So right now I'm fixing the phone holder as well. All these gadgets, they come, you know, with its own folder, you know, phone holder. And a phone holder, it has like a screwing part below, whereby you're not supposed to just like fix it on your tripod stand, just the same way we did with the ring light. Basically, the secret of all this is basically to check on all the knobs, what they are for. Just handle it with care and you will find that it's as easy as ABCD. I hope you're following up. This is a voiceover that I'm doing, but I hope you're following up on what I'm doing, and I hope you find this video very much helpful. The phone holders, they also come with some places where you can hook things like you know, your microphone or an LED. Like for an example, right now I'm fixing my LED. LED is very nice, you know, like if maybe I don't want to travel or move around with the ring light, it's so big, so it comes in handy. It's very small, and it you know, it's convenient for both indoors and outdoors vlogging, and it will give you good lighting. So yeah, and you can use your LED light for like 2 hours before you recharge it again, and you don't need to like put, you know, you pre-charge it. And finally, this is a mini tripod. It comes in very handy, especially in places whereby you don't need to carry maybe your tripod and all. And this I got is very nice. I love it because I can even use it, I can like even hook it on a tree or something. You can see the legs are very much foldable. Also, you can you know, hook your phone holder just at the top, the same thing you did with the tripod and also the ring light. Very, very easy. These are very easy gadgets to use. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know your comments and opinions in the comment section. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment. It's going to help me, and it's going to, you know, it's going to come a long way. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.